I would definitely recommend it to anybody who runs a business, who needs some more understanding of social media and marketing and how it could benefit their business, as well as agencies like ourselves.
Highly recommend this course. It is amazing. It's everything you need to know in terms of digital marketing, and it is just so easy to understand.
Yeah, I'm walking away with a lot of valuable information, and now to go back to work and apply that information, I have lots and lots and lots of work to do.
And as expected, I really am confident now in the areas of search engine optimization and also social media marketing. I think I would really recommend this course for a friend or a colleague because they can kind of take the skills test first and then see where they are. And then after the course, they would be really impressed with the kind of improvement they can make in just a few days.